This is the left ventricle, and this is the apex of the heart. This is the right ventricle. These are the coronary blood vessels, are the auricles. This is the superior vena cava right here. This is the inferior vena cava. This is the pulmonary vein. This is the pulmonary artery. And this is the aorta. I will now be making an incision starting at the aorta through the right atrium. So this is the papillary muscle. And then we have chordae tendineae, which is right up here. And then we have the tricuspid valve, which is right here. The superior vena cava is up here, and the inferior vena cava. Okay. So now we have the left atrium, the aorta, the mitral valve, which is let's see, right here. Then we have chordae tendineae, which is right here. And the papillary muscle, and the left ventricle.